You don't need to travel to a royal mine or dig deep into the earth to discover treasure. Sometimes incredible gems are hiding in places you can actually reach. These are accessible treasures, stones so rare, beautiful, and valuable that they can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Today we're exploring 10 money stones that collectors and rockhounds can realistically find or acquire, each with its own story, sparkle, and fortune waiting to be uncovered. 10. Oregon Sunstone. Nestled in the high desert of southeastern Oregon, the Oregon Sunstone is a feldspar gem famous for its copper schiller, a metallic flash that sparkles in sunlight. It grows in granitic rocks and sometimes in pegmatites, often found embedded in rocky outcrops or scattered in soil near eroded granite. Public feedig sites allow collectors to hunt their own sunstones, making it both accessible and exciting. Historically, these stones were first discovered in the 1800s by miners seeking gold. Today, large, rich orange or reddish stones can sell for $50 to over $5,000. Look for stones that sparkle under direct sunlight and check granitic host rocks carefully. The gems often hide within fractures or pockets. 9. Rough Opal is the gemstone of wonders, known for its mesmerizing play of color, flashes of blue, green, red, and orange. While Australia's black opal is most famous, valuable rough opals are also found in Nevada's Virgin Valley, Oregon, and Ethiopia. Opals often form in volcanic rhyolite or sedimentary host rocks, sometimes filling cracks or cavities. Even rough stones can be stunning once cleaned or cut. A high-quality rough opal can be worth hundreds to thousands of dollars, depending on color, clarity, and size. Collector tip: rotate rough stones under sunlight or a bright light source to reveal hidden flashes. Even small, overlooked pieces can be money stones. 8. Spinel. Spinel is often overshadowed by rubies and sapphires, but fine red or hot pink spinels are becoming highly prized. They are found in Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, and Vietnam, often associated with marble or metamorphic host rocks. Historically, some spinels were mistaken for rubies in royal collections, like the Black Prince's ruby, making it a stone with both beauty and intrigue. Fine spinels can reach for $1,000 to $10,000 plus per carat. Seek vivid colors and high clarity. Even smaller stones can be money stones if they shine with intensity. 7. Azurite garnet. Azurite is a stunning green garnet discovered in Kenya and Tanzania in the 1960s. It grows in kimberlite and metamorphic rocks, often near talc or mica deposits. Rivaling emeralds in color but often surpassing them in clarity, top-quality Azurites can sell for $1,000 to $8,000 per carat. Look for bright, even green coloration and minimal inclusions. Rough fragments may be highly valuable once cut. 6. Azurite. Azurite is a deep, vivid blue copper mineral, often found as clusters of small crystals or massive formations on matrix rocks. Its intense color and natural luster make it highly prized among collectors, even when small. It forms in oxidized zones of copper deposits, commonly found in Arizona, USA, Morocco, Namibia, and Mexico. High-quality clusters with sharp, well-formed crystals can fetch hundreds to several $1,000s, depending on size and aesthetic appeal. Collector tip: look for rich, uniform blue color and intact crystal clusters on matrix. Even pieces that appear ordinary can reveal stunning beauty when cleaned and displayed. 5. Benitoite is the official state gem of California, found almost exclusively in San Benito County. Its sapphire blue color and intense UV fluorescence make it unique. It forms in natrolite-rich serpentine deposits, often in veins with small quartz crystals. Faceted benitoite stones can sell for $1,000 to $5,000 per carat, and mineral specimens with well-formed crystals on matrix are highly prized. Seek transparent, sharply formed crystals. Even small stones can hold significant value when examined carefully. 4. Imperial topaz. Imperial topaz, particularly the sherry orange to pink orange variety from Brazil, is rare and highly valued. It grows in granitic pegmatites, often in cavities with mica and quartz. Natural untreated stones can fetch $1,000 to $5,000 plus per carat, making them one of the most sought-after accessible money stones. Collector tip: examine stones for vibrant color and minimal inclusions. Untreated stones command the highest prices. 3. Fine amethyst and citrine geodes. Geodes may appear ordinary, but large, deeply colored clusters can be stunning. Found in Brazil, Uruguay, and Africa, they form in volcanic or sedimentary cavities, with crystals growing inward over millions of years. Museum-quality geodes can sell for $100 to $10,000 plus, depending on size, color, and crystal perfection. Check for rich color saturation and well-formed crystals inside the cavity. Even outer rock can hide sparkling treasures. 2. Petrified wood, gem quality. When wood is replaced by minerals like agate, opal, or amethyst, its value skyrockets. Notable locations include Arizona, Oregon, and Madagascar. These stones often grow in volcanic ash beds or silica-rich sediments. Exceptional specimens with clear crystal cavities or vibrant coloration can sell for $50 to $5,000 plus, while museum-quality pieces are priceless. Examine patterns, colors, and crystal formations. Even small pieces can become valuable display items. 1. Rare mineral specimens. This category includes wolfenite, vanadinite, rhodochrosite, and other visually striking crystals. What makes them money stones is aesthetic appeal. A flawless, undamaged crystal cluster on its natural matrix can be worth $100 to over $100,000. They often form in hydrothermal veins or oxidized ore deposits, allowing crystals to grow sharp and vibrant. Famous locations include Arizona, USA, Morocco, and Mexico, though world-class specimens can appear in other mineral-rich regions. Look for vivid colors, intact clusters, and sharp crystal faces. Even minerals considered common can become money stones if the crystals are exceptionally formed or unusually vibrant. From Oregon's Sunstone to rare mineral specimens, these money stones prove one thing: nature hides incredible treasures in plain sight. Whether you're a rockhound collector or just curious, a fortune could be waiting in the next rock you lift. Look closely, stay patient, and remember, the most valuable stones often appear ordinary until you know what to look for. So next time you're exploring, ask yourself, could this be the money stone that changes your life? If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden treasures, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Michael Gems, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new discovery. Every week, we reveal the secrets of the earth, stones, stories, and fortunes waiting to be found. Remember, fortune doesn't always glitter on the surface. Sometimes it's buried just beneath your feet.